We're gonna work with what we got. Hopefully this doesn't stain my bathroom. Oh my god, what the hell? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is PJ and today's video is a little bit different than what I usually do on my channel. As you can see, I have pink hair and I really wanted some extensions, not because I wanted like length or I wanted thickness. I got extensions for only when I do braids, not for like normal hair wear. And I bought these extensions off Wish. If you don't know what Wish is, it's pretty much like an online store where retailers sell really cheap products. Sometimes they don't come, sometimes they're not what the photo looks like, and sometimes they're really good. Luckily for me, I had a good experience. I bought these extensions here. I'll leave the actual photo and link and stuff of where I actually got them. I don't know much about hair. When I get my hair done, I get my hair bleached and then I get an illuminate stain. I can do a whole separate video showing you how I actually do my hair if you want to see that. Basically, I know squat about hair. I only know what the hairdressers have told me on how to maintain my bright hair. What I'm going to do today is dye these extensions pink, and this is the Dare Neon Sherbet hair color. When I first got my hair done, this is what they used, and I'll insert a picture here, but it literally faded in 2 weeks, so I am not using this ever again on my actual hair. It's a little bit easier to re-dye extensions, I feel, than it is to like dye my head. So I'm going to take you to my bathroom. I apologize if the lighting and the angle and all that is really bad, but I'm a new YouTuber, I'm still starting out, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so welcome to my bathroom. So for this, what you're gonna need is some pink hair dye. You're also gonna need some hair extensions from Wish. You're going to need some gloves so your hands don't get stained, and you're also going to need a brain, which that is definitely the number one thing that I need right now. So the directions say to shampoo hair and dry the hair, which I already did the other night. And then apply this color, comb through, and leave on hair for 30 minutes for best results. So first I'm going to put on the gloves. And I'm going to wear 2 pairs just because I don't want my hands to get stained. I did speak to the lady about dyeing extensions when I bought the hair dye, and she said not to dye like completely up to the top, like to dye like here, because the hair dye will like seep up or something. So what I'm going to do now is start applying the hair dye. I might do it like 2 sections at a time. This does come with these ones that have like 2 clips, and I think there's one that has 3 or 4 clips. I don't know how much to apply. But anyway, that's what the hair dye looks like. So that's the color of the hair at the moment. If you can see my hair, it's not as dark, but hopefully the color will darken like over time as it gets left in. Then this is another one which has 3 clips. There's 2 sets of these. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just hold the top and hair dye the rest of it. So on the other ones, it hasn't really seemed like it's moved up to like where the band is. So what I'm going to do is just, with the excess on my glove, which is a lot, I'm just going to lightly rub into the top of this. I might be wrong, it might turn out shit later on, but that's okay. So this is all my hair extensions, like after I've dyed them. I'm just going to quickly add some more just because there's heaps in this container. I just want to like drench them. Maybe make the color a little bit more vibrant. Now I'm gonna sit these to the side and just let them do their thing. Okay, so it's probably been about 25 to 30 minutes. The bottle said to leave it on for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna take my chances and wash the hair dye out. I'm gonna wash it out with the shampoo that I usually use on my hair. This is the Goldwell Color Extra Rich Brilliance Shampoo. I don't exactly know how to tackle this. I might just rinse them all off with some warm water. Oh my god, what the hell? It's completely washing out. Oh my god. Do you see this? Okay, well I may as well rinse them all out. The only place it stuck to was like inside the band. It's not even sticking like a little bit, like that's completely blonde again. So that was a total flop. That's not how I was expecting it to turn out whatsoever. I actually thought I was gonna have really cheap, cool, pink extensions. Apparently the universe had a different outcome for me. So as you can see, it did not work. Huge fail. I'm going to be giving these extensions away just because I'm not blonde. If I can't dye them pink or even brown, then I don't want them. I'm not sure if it was because the hair's like not real, or maybe I had to leave the hair dye on for really long, or maybe that hair dye only works on like normal hair that's not extension hair. But anywho, it did not work, so I don't know if this is gross or not, but let me know in the comments below if you want the extensions. I'll obviously rewash them and package them properly before they get shipped out. Yeah, I don't know if sharing extensions is gross. They will have a little bit of pink on the top of them, which you saw in the previous video, but I'm sure it wouldn't matter if your hair is going to cover that section anyway. So yeah, let me know down below if you want them. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below why you want them. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me fail at trying to be a hairdresser. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.